The Reggae Boyz will play Honduras at the National Stadium on Friday, September 8, 2023 at 6 p.m. The match is part of the 2023-2024 CONCACAF Nations League. The Reggae Boyz are currently in League A, Group C of the Nations League. They are also scheduled to play Haiti at the National Stadium on Tuesday, September 12, 2023 at 5 p.m. The Reggae Boyz are hoping to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, which will be hosted by the United States, Mexico, and Canada. They will need to finish in the top two of their Nations League group in order to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The 2023 CONCACAF Gold Cup has already been played. The top three teams in the 2023 CONCACAF Gold Cup are Mexico, the United States, and Costa Rica. Mexico won the tournament, defeating Panama 1-0 in the final. The United States finished in second place after defeating Costa Rica 2-1 in the semifinals. Costa Rica finished in third place after defeating Canada 5-4 on penalties in the third-place playoff. The match between Honduras and the Reggae Boyz is a key one in the 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign. Both teams will be looking to win in order to boost their chances of reaching the tournament.